Alright, today guys I want to take a look at these two different type of thread checkers, and they are called the original thread checker by S&W Manufacturing, and they come in two different types. On the left we see the inch, and on the right we see the metric. The inch version contains 23 pieces. The metric version contains 21 pieces. The inch set is an SWTC-S21. The metric set is an SWTC-M21. Now both the standard inch set that you see here and the metric come on a provided steel cable, and they're all connected so that you can't lose them, and they have a nice plastic little ring in between each one, and it's plenty long enough. The cable's more than long enough so that if you have to move these around to get in and check, you can easily do so. And as the name implies, you would use these for checking threads, either on male or female threads. And I have plenty of different thread gauges, and I also have micrometers, but a lot of times it's nice to have something that you want to use just quick like this, that you can use to check an unknown thread size. So as an example, this is a 1024. So if you had a particular nut that you weren't sure what the thread was, you would just try it. And when you go to start it, if it doesn't want to go, you stop. Because let's say this is a 1024, but you've got a 1032 here. So if you had a 1032 and you tried it and you didn't know what it was, and you tried it on a 1024, if it doesn't go, you stop and then just try it on the next size, you know. So anyways, so we've got that. So now we've checked it, so we know that this nut is a 1024. And then on the other side, we can check, and we see that our button head, socket head cap screw is also a 1024. Now something I'm going to do is on these little, I'm not sure how you pronounce that, Sistema, and they're I like their little products, their containers that they have. But what I'm going to do to keep these thread checkers in more compact in my toolbox, I'm going to use this. It's the 400 MLS rectangular. So we're going to use this to store each set. Now to save some space, I'm going to take these tags off because they're bulky and not required. And now I can stick this in my toolbox drawer, and instead of being all laid out and maybe getting into some other tooling, it's in its own little container here. Well, there you go, guys. Your inch and metric, both in those Systema little cases, and this will help organize your toolbox drawer even nicer. You won't have to worry about these getting caught in other tools.